First, when shooting a free throw, go to the gym and wear the correct apparel. Now that apparel is worn, head to the gym to shoot some free throws. Now that the person has entered the gym, become one with the gym and get on the free throw line. Step towards the free throw line. Make sure feet are squared with the basketball hoop. Make sure feet are behind the black line. Play with ball until comfortable with free throw. And go. Slowly bring ball up to forehead. Make sure tricep and forearm are also at a 90-degree angle. Now that I have taught said baller how to shoot a perfect free throw, let's see how said baller does. Go. When getting frustrated, take a breath, slow down, and remember these steps. Walk up to line, feet behind black line, have fun with ball, knees bent, 90 degree, shoot. Sweet. And that is how to shoot the perfect free throw.
We got Joe Brawley here. He's gonna show us how to swing a bat properly. As he walks up to the plate, notice he puts his front foot towards the front of the plate and his back foot behind it, and his feet are shoulder width apart. Also notice his feet are also straight. Now when batting, you want to bend your knees slightly. Want to put weight on back foot slightly. As you see how he kind of leans there, well, that means his weight is on his back foot. Now as the pitch comes, he's going to take his load step, and then he's going to turn his back foot as his hips come through. Now as his hips come through and his back foot turns, his hips come straight back towards the pitcher, and his foot is turned, creating power, and his front foot is towards first base. Now the upper body portion of hitting is quite simple, but yet can be complicated. Now when holding the bat, the batter's knuckles should be in a line. See how the knuckles are in a line right there? You want that, you don't want that. As he's in his stance, notice his feet and knees are slightly bent. Perfect. He has his front arm back, bottom hand is his front arm, and top hand is his back arm. See how he's got his elbow out? You want your elbow out like that. You want to stay relaxed. You want your chin on your shoulder. And as the pitch comes, now as the pitch comes, he takes his load step and his hips come through. As his hips come through, his backhand turns with his hips, and then as they keep coming through, his hands keep following through, and he punches all the way through. The bat should be straight. The bat should be straight out like this with the base, so you hit the ball out in front. Now we're gonna break it down a little bit. Your front hand, which is your bottom hand, when it comes through, it's like your guide. It's your guide hand. It's gonna guide the bat, it's gonna guide the barrel, and as it comes through, it's gonna come through, and it's gonna finish high, and that's what your front hand does. Now your backhand. Your backhand is usually your strongest hand, your most dominant hand, okay? So when you go to punch someone, if you're righty, you would punch someone with your right hand. If you're lefty, you punch someone with your left. So as it comes through, since he's righty, he'd be punching with his right hand, and it's like a jab straight to the gut. And as he comes through, that's where all your power comes from. It comes around and finishes high again. And notice his chin goes from shoulder to shoulder when he swings. We're gonna put it all together now for you. All right, his feet are aligned, knees are bent, load step. Hips turn as pitch approaches. Punch through, guide hand. Square at the front of the base, finish high, chin to shoulder. Feet are perfect. That's how you swing the perfect swing.